What's crack-a-lackin', guys? We back on another ride out here today. We got a little peek in some weather. Yesterday got up to like 60 degrees, and it's December. A couple days away from Christmas, and it was 60 degrees. Crazy. And today it got up into the 50s. Supposed to meet up with my boy, but he didn't make it out here today. It is a little windy. So right now I'm just going over here and exploring some new territory. Trying to get our wheelie game up. I got some big news and announcements coming. The video's gonna be coming. It's gonna be real dope. Trying to get the wheelie game up. On my way through some recon, looking for a hill. Found one hill. It's dirt. Pretty sure there's another dirt hill over here that I can actually check out. But the progress once I found a hill was actually pretty great. So we'll say that. But enough rambling now. Once we get on this excursion a little more, I'll talk. Remember where I need to go. We'll let you know. I don't come on this side of town. As a matter of fact, recently I haven't came on this side of town in a while because I haven't lived out here. As I told you guys, we moved. We bought a house and we are now living in a house. We'll do a house tour one of these days, so show you what we're working with now, but needless to say, we are very happy with where we're at. As with everything, there's always work that needs to be done. But the thing is, we got the time, and God blessed us with the money to be able to do it. So this is the other area where there should be a hill up here. Plan is to wheelie up the hill. It's balanced quite quick. It works. Yeah, it's a dirt hill. It's a little rough, but just as good or doable as the other hill. Yeah, we're in a little bit of business with that hill. Let's see what we can do, just off muscle memory. First wheelie of the day. Let's go. Alright. We didn't loop, so that's a plus. Stop finessing that rear brake. It's a finesse skill. It's one of those things like people think you can jump out. I thought I was going to be able to jump out and be busting wheelies and doing my thing. But it's definitely a kind of vehicle is that up down. Just make sure it ain't no capper. He definitely is getting back on the seat a little bit, though. See, the thing is with me, I get back there so far, and it gets up so high, and that's when I start doing this feathery thing with the throttle because I'll be afraid that if I'm not cutting the throttle at some point, bitch, I'm going over. But no, good little spot to practice, actually. That's a quick jump up. Yeah, not a bad one. Now the crazy thing is, though, what I learned the last time coming out, and hitting a hill. I'm on flat ground right now. You hit a hill for an hour, like you hit balance points so quick to where like you get more time to play with brake, I think. Let's see if we do this a little more stiff arm, a little more lean back versus pulling it up. I think this hill curves. Ooh. The other hill's actually better. But yeah, like, see? Let's go check out the other hill. Alright. Hill number 2. Really hill number 1. This is the first hill I came to. It's a little more straight. It's just got like a dip and gullies in the middle of it and stuff that make it a little annoying. But I try to come up that side or stay primarily left or right. But the bottom's nice and fairly flat, so once you get kind of used to the hill, that's some good area to practice kicking it up. First run up the hill. First loop out today of the day. Oh no. That's what that is. Pretty sure from it standing up, it try all the while. See, fucking send it. Fucking send it. Pretty sure that's what that is. It's because turn the bitch over pretty much. Well, it don't sound no different, don't feel no different, just got oil. Well, as you can see, wheeling has its ups and downs. As I'm all sure you all know, who started practicing learning wheelies. And looping can be not too bad, but at the same time, like, there's always like some kind of residual damage that happens when you loop. So, anyway, until next time, I'm your boy Alex G. Just trying to get some clips out to y'all. Share the channel with your friends, like, subscribe, and until next time, I'll get at you. Hold up. One last one on flat ground for y'all. Nope, that one wasn't good enough. That one was, though. Peace out, y'all.